At first, I didn't want to do it. My mom wanted me to do it, and because she said that I could use the money, and I told her to sign me up, so she signed me up.
My friend and I, we both joined the Yes program together because we both wanted to, have that feeling like how it is, being a part of the Yes.
I've been with Haipu for quite a long time, and I've really enjoyed their company and their teaching. So, I just wanted to try it out again, and it was really good, like always.
Means to me is that it's a learning opportunity that every time my parents see programs like these, they tell me that I should join it because back when they were my age, they didn't really have programs like these, and programs like these are something that I should take advantage of. And I took that into consideration, and I don't know, it just means like so much to me. I really enjoy it. I recommend it to all my cousins and family who don't really have anything to do or are kind of a little bit antisocial. I always tell them that it's a way to kind of push your boundaries a little bit and to get more comfortable with talking to new people and to be a little bit more social, because I used to be very introverted. I refused to talk to anybody, and so one day I joined these programs and I was like, hey, it's not, talking to people isn't that bad. So Yes just holds a really special place in my heart.
I learned a lot of things about a relationship and how to keep a healthy one, and to identify if a relationship is either a good or bad.
Like talking about relationships and giving advice on healthy and bad relationships, like what to do if you're in a bad relationship, you need help, SOS. But there's also perks and cons to it too, and being in a relationship. There's a lot of good ways to tell when you're in a healthy relationship and a bad relationship. And with this program, it tells you a lot about good and bad relationships, and that's what I really like about this program, because it made me learn a lot from it. Being in relationships myself, let's just say it wasn't that good, but it helped me realize that some of my relationships were controlling, and it was just a big red flag.
There's a lot of things I like. I also really like being in a room with people I didn't know, and then as the program kept going, everybody get along. All the events that they offered for all of us, everybody just bond together, have fun, whether it was the bowling or the swimming that we did.
My favorite part about the Yes program I would say the community itself and the staff. The staff are really nice and welcoming, and shout out to them.
The projects we do, the video we make at the very end, it was very fun doing that.
The most fun about the Yes program has to be filming and meeting the people here. The staff are super chill, super nice, and they give us good snacks too on our breaks. And then the people here just bring positive energy. It was all just happy, loud, and super nice. While we were filming, there's a lot of bloopers, and that's where we really got to connect to each other and stuff. And I felt this program really made me more sociable. I feel I could talk more easily now, because at first I was just keeping to myself, talking to the people I only knew. But I got out of my comfort zone with all these icebreakers and stuff, and got to talk to a bunch of new people.
Is join the youth programs. They're really fun. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to join them. And don't join them just for the money, okay? You should also join them because you want to join them, not because oh, I'm getting paid just to learn. But I think you should join them if you think in a way it will benefit you. And even if it kind of doesn't, I really hope that you're just having fun and that you're talking with people and communicating with people, because to me communication is a really big thing. So, like I said, join the programs Haipu puts out. Trust me, you're not gonna regret it.
Join Haipu, guys. You get paid and you make new friends. Exactly, that's a win-win for you. But yeah, it's really fun, and they provide you with like a lot of snacks too. So hey, I'm winning. I don't know.